Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put custom number in formatting in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then we show the columns. This number is the custom numbering formatting in the select. Click for the reference sign column option. Now keyboard press for the equal. Click for the select salary first and minus bonus first number. Now keyboard press for no enter. Now select the all reference option. That's okay. Then number formatting in going to the control on keyboard press. Now click for the custom option. Now remove the general option and keyboard press from the third bracket green, then choose color in the name. Now 0 double quotation mark and alert 30 double quotation mark semicolon, again third bracket choose color name, third bracket close, again 0 double quotation mark and alter 31 double quotation. Now for OK. That's okay. Then show the custom number formatting in Microsoft Excel. That's it. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.